Welcome back to Pamuka Wealth Empire, your go-to channel for insightful cryptocurrency analysis and wealth-building strategies. In today's video, we're shifting our focus to an essential topic for everyone: retirement planning and saving for retirement. Stay tuned as we delve into key strategies to secure your financial future. Whether you're just starting your career or nearing retirement, these tips are crucial for everyone. Retirement planning is crucial because it ensures that you have enough funds to maintain your desired lifestyle when you're no longer earning a regular income. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a financial cushion to fall back on. According to recent studies, many people are not adequately prepared for retirement, leading to financial stress in their golden years. This lack of preparation can result in having to make difficult choices, such as cutting back on essential expenses or even delaying retirement altogether. Let's explore why retirement planning is essential. First, it helps you set clear financial goals. By understanding how much money you will need, you can create a roadmap to achieve those goals. And how you can start today. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Take stock of your assets, liabilities, and income sources. This will give you a clear picture of where you stand financially. Next, consider consulting a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice and help you develop a comprehensive retirement plan tailored to your needs. One effective strategy is to set up automatic savings. By regularly contributing to retirement accounts, such as a 401k or IRA, you can steadily build your nest egg over time. Additionally, review your investment portfolio periodically. Diversifying your investments can help manage risk and potentially increase your returns. Don't forget to factor in healthcare costs, which can be significant in retirement. Consider options like long-term care insurance to protect your savings. Ultimately, the goal of retirement planning is to ensure you can enjoy your retirement years without financial worries. Whether it's traveling, pursuing hobbies, or spending time with loved ones, having a solid financial plan in place allows you to focus on what truly matters. Start planning for your retirement today. The earlier you begin, the more time you have to grow your savings and achieve your financial goals. Remember, it's never too late to start, but the sooner you do, the better prepared you'll be for a comfortable and fulfilling retirement. The first step in retirement planning is setting clear, realistic goals. This involves taking a deep dive into your current financial situation and projecting your future needs. Start by assessing your current savings, income, and expenses. Write down your financial goals in a journal to keep track of your progress and stay motivated. Ask yourself, at what age do you want to retire? This is a crucial question because the age at which you retire will significantly impact the amount of money you need to save. Consider factors such as your health, career satisfaction, and family obligations. Think about whether you want to retire early or work longer to increase your savings. What kind of lifestyle do you envision? Do you see yourself traveling the world, pursuing hobbies, or spending more time with family? Your desired lifestyle will determine your retirement budget. Make a list of activities and experiences you want to enjoy during retirement. This will help you estimate the costs associated with your dream lifestyle. Understanding your retirement goals will help you determine how much you need to save. Calculate your expected expenses, including housing, healthcare, food, and entertainment. Don't forget to account for inflation and unexpected costs. Use online retirement calculators to get an estimate of how much you need to save each month to reach your goals. Use retirement calculators and consult financial advisors to get a clearer picture of your needs. A financial advisor can provide personalized advice based on your unique situation. They can help you create a comprehensive retirement plan, suggest investment strategies, and keep you on track to meet your goals. Regularly review and adjust your plan as needed to ensure you stay on course. Creating a robust retirement savings plan is vital. Start by determining your current financial situation and how much you can afford to save each month. Consider options like 401k plans, IRAs, and other retirement accounts. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from compound interest, which significantly boosts your savings over time. Diversification is key to minimizing risk and maximizing returns. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a mix of assets including stocks, bonds, real estate, and even cryptocurrencies. Each type of investment carries its own risks and rewards, so diversify wisely to protect your retirement funds. Retirement planning is not a set-it-and-forget-it process. Regularly review and adjust your plan to accommodate changes in your financial situation, market conditions, and personal goals. Meet with your financial advisor annually to ensure you're on track and make necessary adjustments. An often overlooked aspect of retirement planning is having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial cushion for emergencies can prevent you from dipping into your retirement savings prematurely. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. Retirement planning and saving are critical steps toward securing a comfortable and stress-free future. It's never too early or too late to start thinking about your financial well-being. Whether you're just beginning your career or nearing retirement, having a solid plan in place can make all the difference. Remember to start early, set clear goals, diversify your investments, and regularly review your plan. Starting early allows you to take advantage of compound interest, which can significantly grow your savings over time. Setting clear goals helps you stay focused and motivated, whether it's saving for a home, your children's education, or your own retirement. Diversifying your investments can help manage risk and increase the potential for returns. Regularly reviewing your plan ensures that you stay on track and can make adjustments as needed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Pamuka Wealth Empire for more insightful content. We strive to provide you with the best financial advice and tips to help you achieve your financial goals. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos, covering a wide range of topics from budgeting and saving to investing and retirement planning. Leave your comments and questions below, and we'll be sure to address them in future videos. Your feedback is invaluable to us, and we love hearing from our viewers. Whether you have a specific question about a financial topic or a suggestion for a future video, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you navigate your financial journey and make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more content that empowers you to take control of your financial future. Until then, keep planning, stay informed, and remember that every step you take today brings you closer to a secure and prosperous tomorrow.